You would not believe it. It is a no ball. Richard Ellingworth got his hand up early. It was a poor lead from Adam Voges. It came in nicely. It started outside off stump and angled straight in and cannoned it into the stumps.
This is not the first time in his career this has cost him either.
I don't want to see that on the big screen, I'm telling you.
Well, hang on. If he'd taken a wicket and he'd overstepped the mark, it will get overturned. Now, why can't they overturn the not out in this circumstance? Because
well, he's got him there. He's caught him, but it's a no ball. That's unbelievable. It was a short delivery from Nair, and Langer was onto in a flash. Hammered it straight at Akash Chopra at bat pad, who's taken a superb catch just to start in you were after, but it's a no ball. Can you believe it? That is unbelievable. No ball. What a catch. Sensation. Here's the front shoe. Now it's hit. We just very, very tight, very close. Look at this for a catch. Just hung on to it like a chess mark. Excellent catch. Disappointing for the Indians. Get their first wicket. What a way to get it like that. Would have really lifted the team.
Potentially that's on the correct. Bowled in. Bit of joy, bit of success at last for Wahab Riaz. Remarkable innings from Jos Buttler. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Can you believe it? This just about sums up Pakistan's day.
Oh no. Another no ball and a free hit as well. That is.
Now, I made the comment almost in my first commentary right at the start of the day. There is so much that Pakistan have got to do to improve in one-day cricket. Their batting has looked so shaky in the series so far. That's the 5th no ball that Pakistan have bowled today. You're not going to get away with any these days with the third umpire sitting in that chair looking eagle-eyed at every delivery that's bowled.
This was the moment. He was on 46, Alistair Cook.
Clean as a whistle, they run. Beautifully bowled, good change by the captain, and Billy Brown says no ball.
Unbelievable, and really Simons had no idea what was going on there. He got the shock of his life. He was walking off the ground. Then he looked around, all of a sudden realised, put his bat back into the crease, then realised there were runs on. Oh boy, have a look at this. Just over the line. And so definitely a no ball. Now we need to watch what Simons does here. Oh, beautifully bowled. What a delivery. What a delivery. And he starts to walk. Off he goes and then, whoops. Come on, run.
He wants to get down the other end. That's why. That was a very...
Outside edge. And he nicks it this time. That's exactly what Ramiz was talking about. There will be a...
This may work for Pakistan. It's clearly over the line and it's a no ball. Come back, Fakhar Zaman. You're breathing again. That's gone.
The most disheartening sight for Fidel Edwards. It's a no ball. It's the perfectly pitched out-swinging Yorker, but he overstepped the line. That is heartbreaking for the...
In the air, and no ball called, no ball called. India, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Michael Slater
doesn't know. He doesn't know he's walking. Well, it's Christmas time, Michael Slater. You've had 2 Christmas presents in the space of 4 days.
And clearly overstepping. So umpire Bansal has got it right. Slater playing away from the body, but it doesn't matter now. The catch was taken. And
well, that's a short delivery. I think it's a no ball. Surely, yes. No ball called, and the Indian umpire's running in, pointing, and there's going to be a run out. There's going to be yes, he's out now, run out. Now the Indian umpire's out of position. Now he's giving him out. My goodness, it's all happening out there. I don't think the batsman heard the no ball call. The only way you can get out of a no ball is run out, and that's what's happened. And in fact, the Indian umpire very nearly got himself into a terrible situation there. He was running across towards his colleague for some reason, signalling no ball, and then all of a sudden he was involved with a decision which was a run-out decision. So up goes the hand. That's not out. In comes the ball, and the bowler there putting his head down, and have a look at all of this carry on.
Well, let me take you back to 1999, Prime Minister's 11 game. Bowling to Angus Fraser.
Got him.
Double bounces, no ball, surely.
No, it's not.
He has bounced the ball twice.
Let's have a look. I've done him in the air here.
Oh.
That was the Zutter.
Goodness.
Angus.
chucked it on. Dragged it on from a long way out. Ryan McLaren is very happy with that. Afridi is, I think, talking to himself a lot. He's unhappy with something by the looks of things, Afridi, but he is still walking towards the pavilion. Disappointed, obviously. What a massive wicket that is. Look at those flags.
Absolutely. Big wicket here for South Africa. This is the one they were looking for. Just asking the umpire to hang on. Just checking if there was a no ball. Oh. It's marginal.
I don't think it's marginal. I don't think it's marginal. I think it's over. I think it's a no ball. It's a no ball. Pakistan supporters have gone berserk.
Absolutely, it's just been on the big screen. And Afridi walks back. He walked only as far as the 30 yards went. And he's come back again.
Alan Donald's making a note. Sense of humour failure for A.B. de Villiers. Same for Ryan McLaren. That was probably the game. That was probably it. Now we've got a free hit as well. Technology working. Wow, more drama. Looks like a choir master, Billy Bowden. Afridi lives again. What do we got? 11 from this over. Only halfway through. Now a free hit. This could be a massive over.